Iman Gadzhi, the name that's been making waves on social media with a massive 4.4 million subscriber. If you've been online in the last year, you've probably seen his videos pop up. And let me tell you, they're not your average content. Packed with valuable information and top-notch production, Iman isn't just a YouTuber, he's a genius marketer. His channel isn't just about videos, it's a doorway to his other exciting ventures. In this video, we'll be diving into Iman Gadzhi background and early life, how Iman Gadzhi made his money, with a full timeline, Iman Gadzhi's current revenue streams across his different business ventures and philanthropy. Iman, full name being Iman Gadzhi Magomedov, born on the 3rd January 2000 in a little town in South Russia called Dagestan's Kiye-Ogni to a single mother. He grew up in post-Soviet Union poverty, where his mother worked 3 jobs to take care of him, so he spent most of his time with his grandma. This is a huge difference to the jet-setter life Iman now lives. When people look at Iman's socials and see the jets, holidays, houses, and cars, this is the question on everyone's mind. Let's look at a timeline over the last 5 to 7 years of how Iman Gadzhi actually made his money. Age 15, buying and selling Instagram accounts. Despite Iman's childhood dream compelling him to make it as a professional footballer, he realized he simply wasn't good enough. It was time to find another way to make money. This led into his first venture, buying and selling Instagram accounts. He made a decent amount of money for a 15-year-old too, but with one bad decision, he managed to lose it all by investing in one account that failed dramatically. Age 15-16, social media management. Iman embarked on a quest to discover new income streams. With a passion for fitness, he delved into personal training, spending days and nights absorbing knowledge and building training plans. His entrepreneurial spirit led him to persuade friends' parents to let him train them, earning a modest monthly income. Iman then bought himself a 400-pound Canon camera so that he could set up shoots wherever possible to hone his craft. He was still engaged in semi-pro football, and Iman recognized an opportunity in social media. He had been advising the club owner on improving their channels. Eventually, the owner offered Iman the role of managing content and social media. With limited knowledge, he settled on charging £75 per week, securing his first agency client at £300 per month. But this £300 was recurring every single month. For 7 months, Iman persevered until he secured his next client, securing a meeting with a large company called Athlete, a software platform for fitness influencers now acquired by Genflow. He visited their offices, and by the meeting's conclusion, the founder, Sean, requested a proposal. With a better grasp of industry rates, Iman quoted £1,900 per month, expecting negotiation down to about £1,000. He sent the quote during a school class, and during his lunch break, he nervously refreshed his email. Sean's 2-word response read, "Call me." Sitting on a curb outside school, Iman called Sean and signed Athlete. This was the turning point in Iman's agency career. The next 2 weeks were to be even crazier. He went on to sign his second client for £1,500 per month, and then another for £750 per month. Within 14 days, he went from £300 per month with a horribly underpriced client, that he ended up dropping, to £4,550 per month with 3 clients while he was still in high school. Iman then ended up dropping out of high school aged just 17, after pleading with his local council. Age 18 to 19, scaling the agency. After dropping out, Iman secured more clients like Zebra Fuel and Furo Systems, surpassing the 6-figure mark and feeling on top of the world. However, his success took a hit when clients started dropping off due to the inability to prove ROI in social media management, where it was currently focused on likes and followers. Recognizing the demand for demonstrable business growth through paid traffic, Iman spent the next 6 months unsuccessfully selling Facebook ad services, despite trying various courses and coaching. The turning point came when he stumbled upon Expedia's business model during a holiday booking. Expedia made $10 billion that year without owning planes or hotels. This realization struck Iman, prompting the idea that he didn't have to personally deliver Facebook ad services. Instead, he could delegate these to someone who could actually run them and deliver, while he focused on sales and operations, retaining the majority of the profits. Age 19, 20, the start of Grow Your Agency. As Iman's agency flourished, His public display of newfound wealth on Instagram and YouTube attracted attention. A YouTube subscriber approached him, expressing interest in learning how he built his agency. When asked about his hourly rate, Iman, unfamiliar with coaching inquiries, responded with £100. After just 2 hours of Iman's coaching, the subscriber secured a £1,500 per month client. This revelation led to 2 realizations. Iman was undercharging, and he could teach others to grow their agencies. Motivated by this, he developed a program, a straightforward formula for building an agency. On February 1st, 2018, after testing with 50 students, Iman launched 6-figure SMMA, which later went on to become Grow Your Agency, with their hero product being Agency Navigator for $1,497. According to their website, over 6,000 students have enrolled into the course, making Iman $898 million. Not bad. Grow Your Agency also really marked the start of Iman's e-learning empire, Iman Gadzhi Current Businesses. Aside from Grow Your Agency, Gadzhi is the founder and owner of several businesses across software, e-learning, members club, and content. Here's the list of all of Iman Gadzhi known businesses. Agency Flow, now rebranded as Flowzy, is Iman Gadzhi software company for agency owners, coaches, and other small medium-sized businesses. Iman is likely building this business alongside his co-founder Pierre-Antoine Depreux to sell for a serious sum, likely in the millions. Educate.io, a e-learning platform teaching people high-income skills like sales, copywriting, and social media marketing. SMMA, access to the platform costs, you guessed it, $1,497. Gents Croquet Club, GCC, a private members club with exclusive events and community of like-minded entrepreneurs in which you need to buy an NFT to be a part of. The price of the NFT seems to fluctuate. YouTube, with over 3.8 million subscribers. This channel is most definitely part of his business empire, likely making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month from ads, as well as acting as a funnel into his other business ventures. How much money does Iman Gadzhi make? Across all of Iman Gadzhi's businesses, Flowzy, Grow Your Agency, Educate.io, GCC, and YouTube, it's estimated Iman is making anywhere from $1 to $3 million a month. This would come from around $30,000 per month from Flowzy, although this likely to be much more, $2 million of 1,500 students per month from Grow Your Agency and Educate.io, and $100 to $200K per month from YouTube. Iman Gadzhi Philanthropy. The multi-millionaire is a passionate supporter of education for all and is a dedicated philanthropist. Gadzhi is globally renowned for self-funding 5 schools in Nepal, a project that has positively impacted over 2,500 children. Iman has clearly been incredibly successful across both his agency and also his e-learning companies. The majority of Iman's wealth is likely to have come from his courses from both Educate.io and Grow Your Agency. His funnel from YouTube down into his courses and then onto his software offering is making him a fortune. The software play will be incredibly interesting to watch play out, where they are up against some serious players like Monday.com and Asana. But if this comes off and Flowzy gets acquired, this will be the one serious payday for Iman, Pierre, and the team. Subscribe for more videos.